It was love at first sound.
Anthonia, where are you? Anthonia?
I thought I heard something.
Where are you, my daughter?
That voice sounds like my dad.
Go and see.
The first time I ever met you, I was upstairs with some of my relatives, cleaning, when I suddenly heard a voice. A voice that sounded like my father's. I said, "This voice sounds like my dad's. Is he around?" They laughed, but I had to know, so I ran downstairs to see who it was.
Uncle, is that you?
Yes, my dear, it's me.
Oh, Uncle, I'm so happy to see you.
Me too. How are you, my daughter? I am happy to see you.
Me too.
Lo and behold, it was you, my second daddy. My daddy's brother. Today, I celebrate you and the great man you are. Thank you for loving me the way you do. I love you so much, Uncle.